did you hear that there's an open house here on the 20th?
Yeah, anybody can come to check out our school.
Why should someone come and see our school?
Well, let's see what student council has to say.
I enjoy a lot about this school. They have air conditioning so it's not too hot or too cold. The teachers are also very nice and can give you the help you need. Also, there's lots of fun projects and field trips. There's also so much more.
I love that the students get the opportunity to do more, such as music, art, and Spanish. I also love that everyone feels like they belong. Everyone here is so kind, making the school feel like one big family.
I love CCDS because there are small classes and that gives attention to a lot of attention to each and every kid, and the teachers are always open to like talking about anything, not just like schoolwork, but really anything, and that's why I love CCDS.
I like the teachers, the education, and the activities we do in the classroom at CCDS. I enjoy the specialty classes such as art, Spanish, and physical education. I like the small classes because you get a one-on-one talk with the teacher, and I really like the principal.
I really enjoy the small classes because if you need help or don't understand something, then a teacher can help you with it.
I like that the teachers are really nice and a smaller class makes school much more enjoyable.
I really like my teacher because she always makes everything fun. She always tries to find the way you're most comfortable with.
The teachers here are so nice, and you can talk to them whenever you want. And their way of teaching is really good. But it isn't just the teachers that are good. The environment is very healthy, and that is why I love this school. Jazz hands.
Visit us on January 20th to learn more about our school at the open house.